ठीक है ऋचा, आपने खुद ही डालना है. Push it, yes, very good, perfect. Push it now, more further. Push it further, very nice. You see where you are now? Oh, yes, take it out now. Take it out. Show me the cannula. Show me the cannula in the video. This is a cannula, not a needle. Yes. And show me the full. Very good. Okay, now the lower one below the jawline. Okay. Clean it up. And entry point वो बना हुआ है 16 gauge. So we are doing cogg threads with cannula. We've done mono threads before, and we'll be fixing some other stuff as well for her. So this is a hands-on workshop where, you know, if you can see, I'm not working at all. We've been doing quite a lot of practice, you know, to work with cannulas and such. So now Dr. Richard is going to do the lower one. Perfect. So this is again cannula for the jawline. Yes, very nice. Yes, take it out now. Perfect. Okay, Richard. Now come Dr. Simran now. So we will now do first another lower and then you do the upper. ठीक है? हाँ. Yeah? Yes. ठीक. कैमरा ले लेना यार. So this case I had done before Botox for full facelift. This is a very new concept to use Botox, to use full face, you know, lifting effect, the neck, the lower face muscles, and then we, you know, once we relax the muscles which bring down, then we do the lifting part or the regenerating part. So now this is the next. We are going to do another thread in the very nice, very good. Perfect. So show me Simran now. Take it out. Show me the core. This is a core, a cannula. It's not a needle, and here you can see the lifting effect. Okay. Now you do it on the upper one. Yes. Then you only do it, huh? Yes. Do the other one also. Yes. Cannula, very good. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. Alright. So we'll soon be live again and make another video with some other procedure. See you later then.